up to speed with what we're doing. I have a PS4 controller. I have a laptop. This is a Comma 2 self-driving car AI. We're gonna drive a car with a fucking PS4 controller because we think it's funny. Alright, so step one is to connect my laptop to your hotspot.
Yeah, I have to turn the car off, actually.
Okay. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt so that way if we do start actually fucking driving, I don't die.
You don't die. Alright. The wheel's upside down!
Oh no.
I love how it's also a USB Type-C PlayStation controller, too.
Yeah, link on Tindy. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so, is it in hotspot mode?
Probably.
Probably. Weedle 2D, is that the hotspot?
Yeah, that's it. Don't leak my hotspot, come on, bro.
Or I won't leak your password, which was such a meme.
Oh yeah, you're gonna leak the default password. Oh man. Horrifying.
Alright, it is taking forever, but it should connect. Hopefully we don't have the same issue. Oh my, it's connected. Alright, cool. Finally start joystick D on your laptop and tell it to push ZMQ packets over the network. We are not trained professionals, but I am a computer science major. He is a computer engineer. This is his car with his Comma 2. Please don't try this at home unless you know what you're doing. And we're not liable if you do try this at home and kill yourself. So. Also, I'm a douchebag that runs Arch Linux. Let's go!
I'm gonna live tweet me crashing a car.
I'm gonna live tweet me crashing a car with a PS4 controller.
So, I'd like to process my insurance claim. What were you doing when you crashed the vehicle?
Totally not driving it with a PS4 controller. Let's go.
Did you send the commands already?
Well, I need to. So that's the thing I had to ask you about. I don't know what the IP address of that thing is.
I don't know.
So I don't know what the IP is. I just need to know what the IP is, and then I can do it. Under tethering settings. I know it's root, I just need to know the IP. Or what the subnet is, and I could probably guess it. It doesn't tell you, does it? Let me see what my IP is. IP address show.
Yeah, it should be the default gateway.
So, what is the gateway? That is a good question. I forgot how to fucking read this. I think it's 39. It's either 39 or 38, so we're gonna try one of the two. 192.168.43. Yeah, I can't dox the fucking IP address. 38. We're gonna try 38 first. Nope. Let's try 39. Nope, that wasn't it either. Son of a bitch. I don't know what it is then. What is the gateway? Let's try just that one. It's usually the gateway, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yes it is. I'm just dumb. Alright, I am connected to the Comma 2. I then have to write... So is my laptop both of those somehow?
You need to run the serial command on the Comma 2.
Which is literally called serial for some reason,
yes.
Which makes no fucking... The wrong type of serial, but whatever.
Yeah, it's one of their sub-projects.
Okay. Then 192.168.43.39,
I don't think that's right.
Yeah, no.
Literally it's a 192.168? Okay.
Yeah, it's 192.168.43, and I think it's the 39 one. We're going to find out. And then we're going to do test joystick. Did it work?
It should have started a script.
Okay, it's just running. So I'm going to assume that's correct. Documents.
I think.
It's openpilot, not Comma. I'm dumb. Okay, cool. And then, which also is now my shell is lagging for some fucking reason, but whatever. And then just run export ZMQ equals 1. Okay, and then we'll do tools / joystick / joystick d.py. Permission denied.
Sudo it?
Do I need to sudo it?
Maybe.
Command not found. Because I need to do this. / Actually, it probably isn't marked as an executable. That's probably what it is.
Oh, maybe.
Do chmod +x. Now let's do that again. Module not found serial. Damn it, I need to fucking initialize. I need to install, do pip it's pip end install. Which I don't have internet, which is going to make this harder. I forgot to do that. Uh-oh. I gotta disconnect from it for a second. So I'm gonna have to fucking redo all of this. Isn't computer science fun, kids?
I think Serial is still running on this though, because it's just a computer, right?
Yeah, but I just killed it in Control-C because I need to switch over to your Wi-Fi.
Well,
so
you should have just closed the terminal and let it run.
No, because when I disconnected it, when SSH disconnects, it kills what it's running.
Kills what it's running.
Yeah.
Right. You could have run it in a tmux session.
I could have run it in a tmux session. You are right. Pipens is installed, you fucking bitch. Damn it! Now I have to go through and do all this shit.
Oh my god, it's so much harder.
Yeah, so much harder. Good thing I'm connected to your Wi-Fi. It'll take like an hour. And now, if I do pip install, it'll do its thing. Pip pi and nor ASDF can be found to install Python. Ah, cool. Okay, so the first step was enable debug mode in the car. Ian went in and did that from his laptop, like right when I got here. He just remote controlled into the car's computer and then just forced into debug mode. And we actually went into the car, turned it on, and tested to see if it would like spoon into debug mode, which it worked first time. And it literally had like in the car, it said speed 0% and like steering 0%. I'm assuming it was at 0, so I'm assuming it goes negative 100 to 100.
I'm not 100% sure how that works, but...
Which I noticed the video you showed me, he was using an Xbox controller.
Yeah.
So in theory, his PS4 controller should, because the way Linux's drivers work is that they're one-to-one identical. Linux doesn't care what type of controller it is, so it should work, which will be really cool.
Yeah, when you first were talking about it, I was picturing like Michael Reeves style, like solenoids to the gas and brake.
No. This is way slicker.
Yeah.
This would actually if you were crazy enough, you probably could drive this on the road with little effort, which is amazing but also terrifying. And please don't do that. It is illegal. Don't ever try it.
Is it illegal?
What?
I think it is. I haven't actually looked. My girlfriend's brother-in-law is a cop. Do we want to call him?
That'd be funny, dude.
Do it.
I don't have his number. Actually, I think he's on vacation. I mean, I'm not gonna bother on vacation. No phone
Look
call.
at that, he's calling you.
No, it's Michelle. All right, so we're idiots, and we're going to be attempting to drive a car with a PlayStation 4 controller. We're using a system in his car, in his Toyota Corolla. So, do you have anything specific that you wanted to say about this, Ian?
No, not really.
Not really? Just that?
Hello, today 2 retards drive a car using a PlayStation 4 controller. Why, you ask? Why the hell not?
Yeah, why not? We want to just do this for fun, right? So, no.
I mean, yeah.
But we've been having a heck of a day, okay? It is currently, 4:30. We've been working on this since noon, thinking this is going to take 15 minutes.
It would, if we had an Ubuntu installed, yes.
We need Ubuntu installed on the computer. Why Ubuntu? God knows! And for anyone who doesn't know what Ubuntu is, it doesn't matter. All you need to know is that we're driving a car with a controller. So once we figured out how to get that up and running and installed, which will hopefully happen within the next 30 minutes, we are going to connect this controller up to this laptop from 2012, hooked up to the self-driving kit inside of the car. Yeah. But this time, it's going to be taking input from this controller. Why and how? Did we modify it? No. We literally just found a script the developers made that we're just going to run and hope that it works correctly. Also, we're not stupid. We are not driving this car on the road. That would probably be illegal in every state. So that's pretty much the gist of it. But we've been having a heck of a time because first I try to get it working on my laptop, then we try to get it working on his laptop, and then we have the backup for the tertiary backup, which is way higher chance of working. So
That's where you're at.
Yeah, that's where we're at.
Had to install Ubuntu to that computer.
Let's go do that while I can finish getting this installed. Do you care about that? Because realistically, this is our best option anyway.
That's fine. I would like to keep this as the quad backup, whatever the fuck, but whatever. We can let it. It'll be faster.
I'm going to go.
I'm running the openpilot.
You have your mic on anyway.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring.
I got the openpilot setup stuff running anyway, so.
Yeah, we're burning daylight. Let's go. No.
We're burning daylight. Let's go, bro. All right, so we got this here Android smartphone in a 3D printed case. It runs a STM microcontroller that sends commands to the CAN bus of the car. That then sends electrons to a motor, which turns the wheel and applies gas or brake. And typically that uses the camera on the front of the device to look at the lane lines, plot a path, and actually drive that path. But today we're going to be doing something a little different with the joystick. So sending joystick commands to the device, and that's going to send commands to the wheel and the gas.
Oh, that's cool. So the joystick literally forwards the commands directly to the Android phone, and the Android phone sends the cam commands, which then controls the wheel?
Yep.
Ah, cool. What is the name of the software that normally runs on the Android device?
That is openpilot.
OpenPilot. Cool, cool. And that's like an equivalent to Tesla? Or like, how does it...
Similar, yeah. It's a similar sort of thing. Drives the car mostly autonomously. It has some issues here and there, but Tesla's also got their issues.
So we can't connect the joystick directly to the Android device, right? Instead we have to... What's the plan?
Could, but we're using the hotspot on here, connecting to another computer running Ubuntu to forward those joystick commands over the network. It's just going to be... It's already been done before. The stuff exists in there for it, even though we've been struggling at it for, I don't know, 4 hours now.
Gotcha. And then how does the cam get connected to the car? I remember earlier you said something. What is this right here?
This guy is connected to the ODB2 port. It just identifies the vehicle and provides power to the device, which I just turned off. There is a little connector under here. Modern cars with adaptive cruise have a default camera that's already in here. So we're just performing a man-in-the-middle attack. We are intercepting the data going out of this camera and into the car, and we're adding our own data in. So there's a little relay box in here that switches those connections off to this phone.
Let's go! It's so cool! I'm so excited to see it work.
Hopefully it works, but hard to say.
We'll find out.
That indeed. Alright, it's fucking cold in here. So
it is cold. What's happening over here?
Trying to get the quad back.
Getting the quad back up working. Backups 1 and 2 failed.
Yeah, backups. Nerd shit is all that anyone needs to know. Oh right, I have to do sudo. Not a Git repository? What the fuck happened here?
Oh, CD into openpilot and then do it again.
Warning, cannot proceed. Kindly remove. Okay.
Are you looking at a YouTube video on how to do this stuff?
This motherfucker forced me to type with me. It doesn't support USB pass-through, so I gotta convert it to VirtualBox now, which I originally tried to use!
I'm sorry.
All right, Michael, chill.
Oh, man.
This is how I imagine Michael Reeves' like house sounds like when he's recording a video, by the way. I'm at 190 out of 242 packages, by the way.
What did I call it? OP something? Oh,
I really hope that forwarding package isn't too much for this laptop from 2012.
Oh, it might be.
Ooh, wait, I gotta see what the specs are. Oh, I gotta see.
Oh, it's real bad. It's an old AMD Athlon processor.
Oh, it's not even Intel?
Nope.
Oh no. cat/proc/CPU info. AMD A6 3420M APU with Radeon TM HD graphics at 1.6 gigahertz.
Oh, it went up. It used to be 1.5.
I think it went up because like turbo or something. It is a quad core though.
Yeah.
So it is a quad core. So it's not, at least we have more cores. To be fair, installing Python packages is a very single-threaded process.
Should I have more questions for you?
Yes.
So we're using this open source software called
Yes. Called openpilot.
openpilot. Openpilot, because open source, I assume, can just run on Linux, right?
Yes, it can, and that's actually how they do testing.
I'm so
All
sorry.
right, perfect. And you run Linux on your laptop right over there.
Yep.
Yeah, it didn't work.
It didn't work because I am a douchebag and I use Arch Linux. So I tried to install it and run it on Arch Linux, but like none of the installer scripts wanted to work. And frankly, it would have been more effort for me to go through and edit all of those install scripts than it would be for us to sit here and wait 3 hours for Ubuntu to install. that being said, at this point, probably would have been faster for me to sit down and edit all of the scripts and to get it to work. But I really don't want to. And frankly, I want to do this in a repeatable way, not because you people should do it, because you shouldn't. This is a bad idea. Don't do this at home. But so that way in the future, if Ian and I ever want to do this again, or because him and I joked and said, maybe in the future, if this gets enough views, we'll do a follow-up video where we do this, but like on a country road, where we could actually do this on the road, but with nobody around. Because I really think, now that you mention it, Kyle, I actually don't think it's illegal. I just think it's frowned upon. However, you will definitely get cited for failure to control your vehicle if you get into an accident.
You fail to control your vehicle.
Yes. All right, so we should be close. I need to do the home.
I mean, because it's a torque limit, well, I should have a little help. Because it's a torque limited system. Yep.
Okay, say it again.
Because openpilot's a torque limited system, theoretically you could pass off the joystick to the passenger and have the driver always ready to take over. Because it's just cruise control. You can turn off the cruise and it'll instantly cut all.
So if you slam on the brakes, it'll stop.
Yeah, if you even touch the brake, it'll stop immediately. It'll let go of everything.
Cool. That's good to know for what's going to happen hopefully within the next hour.
Bro,
hey,
I've got like 5,000, 6,000 miles on this system. I know what's going to happen.
okay,
for the
cool.
most part.
Hey, what happened to the food? I'm starving.
All right, I'll put it in the oven.
We will probably still be testing it in your driveway whenever the food is done.
Yeah, I was wondering, like, if I like push forward on the joystick, right? Like, will it immediately go to 100% acceleration and then I like stop and
I
it
don't
doesn't...
really know. We'll figure it
Well,
out.
how he was
100%
controlling.
acceleration is, I think, 3G. It's a lot, but
It's so in the actual. Holy crap! What do you mean 3G? You mean like that car produces
3Gs of acceleration is what it's.
in a fucking Toyota Corolla?
That's what it's targeting. Actually, it might be
okay.
1.5 Gs of forward acceleration,
Let's say
but
you're-
it can stop at 3G. It
Okay.
will slam on the brakes.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna get whiplash whenever someone hits the brakes. Got it. No. So the example video of one of the devs doing this, he was controlling it like it was a Need for Speed game, where this was the throttle and this was the stick, and I'm pretty sure he just had his foot on the brake. You know, it'll hit the brakes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is probably the brake then,
Yeah,
which would
it
be
can-
very
it can stop the
interesting.
car. There's not an issue with that. Because I have a car that's actually properly supported by openpilot.
Okay, so now we have to do.
I don't know, one of 140, 150 cars that
What was the command? I don't remember what the command was to run the build again.
to run the build.
Yeah.
scons-j.
Oh yeah, it was scons and it's not installed, which is dumb.
Yeah, I don't know why they don't install it, but whatever.
I've never heard of the scons build system. But it's there, and it's multi-threaded, so it shouldn't take, wait.
Hey Kyle, can you motion track that and cut out that logo, please?
Oh, Michelle just texted me and said, yeah, she did say tomorrow. Anyway, unrelated. So let's go open up the timer app on my phone, which I have no clue where it is. Timer, not timer, stopwatch, all right? And we're gonna do, actually, wait a minute. Why am I doing this? I'm a Linux expert. Not really, don't take my word. Time scons-j4.
Oh my fucking god.
Done. It's taking forever to read the file. This is gonna be a while.
This is gonna be a while. It is a slow hard disk, spinning Rust. You know.
Yes, we are using spinning Rust. Hey, do you have the bottom for this laptop so the hard drive?
Yeah, we should
So
do
the
that
hard
now.
drive isn't flopping around
Yeah.
in the car.
Oh, fuck, it came unplugged!
This laptop is old. This is his test. This is the test machine he tried to install Arch on the first time, and failed miserably. Remember when we had Arch class with Chandler?
Motherfucker.
You're missing a bit, aren't you?
I'm missing the driver itself. I know where it is. It's just annoying.
I like how I pulled out my stopwatch. And I'm like, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
There's a command for that. This laptop doesn't sound very happy.
Yeah, well, you know, it's like 12 years old, so.
I guess that's fair.
All right. You want to flip that fucker up?
No, because it's compiling. I don't want it to fail. If you are, okay, there you go. All right. Oh God, it's dangling. Oh God.
Nah, bro, it's fine.
God. Here's your
Bro, I'm an ex-professional.
An ex-professional because you used to work an IT job. Is that the meme?
Yeah, I used to work IT. I'm sure my boss would love this. This was not approved by my previous boss. But it is approved by me because it's my hardware and I own it and I don't give a fuck about it anymore. It's so old. Oh man, don't let anyone steal that Windows key, Kyle. That's a real important one. Windows 7 on the laptop that can't run Windows anymore.
Yeah.
Ooh man, can't let that get out.
I
want to keep that and convert that Windows 7 home key to a Windows 10 Pro.
No, Windows 11 Pro.
Oh right, Windows 11. Sorry, I gotta remember that the spyware continues. All right, look at that. Done. Accidentally ain't got the power.
Please don't do that. It's like half done.
It's like half done. Nah, I think it's fun. We gotta add a little bit of something into the mix, you know? Add a little bit of conflict.
This is also not my developer expertise. I am a web dev, not
You're
an
a
AI dev.
web dev, not an AI car driving dev? What the fuck kind of developer are you?
Kyle knows significantly more about artificial intelligence development than I do.
That's some weak shit. All to NEMR02 init VM.
No idea what that means. You are speaking not English. I always joke that when I start talking about computers, I'm speaking Chinese to people because it might as well be.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I installed Arch Linux on my laptop. What the hell's that?
What the hell's that?
Or my favorite one. I'm a software developer. Can you fix my printer? Like, what does that have to do with anything? I literally have a blog post ranting about this. https://www.chan1012.dev. It's crap. Don't look at it. Half of my articles are just complaining about computer stuff. Like, I literally have an entire article just ranting about why Discord bot development sucks.
New installer fucked it over. Good thing I got the old one.
And it's funny because I made Russell read it before he had an interview with Discord. Because the position he was being hired for, bot developer, that was something to do with the bots. Maybe not bot developer experience, but he had like something that was like what he was interviewing for or something.
I'm gonna stop this recording so that I actually have hard drive space.
Are you running that space?
I don't know. I mean, probably. Who knows?
So we have B-roll though of him doing Linux stuff, so it's fine.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what we wanted.
We also have B-roll of the whole switching to from Hyper-V to VirtualBox, which is great.
Including the YouTube video that we used.
Yeah, right.
These are not for drugs, these were for small electronic components.
Are you sure about that? we should add a little bit of sugar into one of them. That's really funny.
It's not cocaine, I swear!
It's not cocaine, I swear, officer.
Intermission break. Chandler, what do you have here?
This is just my electronics box that's just full of random crap, including like this little test rig that we actually mounted to a gun and like got data from. This is a microphone, this is an IMU, and it like got recoil data and got gunshot microphone data for another project that you may or may not see in the near future if we ever get it done.
Wait, Chandler, what's that?
Shut up! You actually put sugar in one of the bags.
It's for salt, but yeah.
Oh, it's salt? Okay, cool. Totally not methamphetamines, even though my dad is a chemist.
My dad makes me methamphetamine.
Chandler, is he a chemist or a chemist?
He's an actual chemist. He has a master's degree in polymer chemistry.
So cool.
Which is also why I was talking to him about the whole conductive 3D printer filament thing. And he literally told me that he has never once tried to make a polymer conductive because he said it was a waste of time. However, he said the fact that this company was able to make it work, he thought was insane. And he would love to see the patent. And if he can see the patent, he can probably figure out what's in it.
Yeah, the crazy thing about patents is they describe exactly how to do something, and they protect other people from commercializing that thing.
Even though you could probably change very little and still get around it.
Yes.
Which is why patenting software is dumb.
But not only that, but what it does not protect you against is from hobbyists, from doing exactly what the patent says. That's totally legal. Isn't that crazy?
Yes, it is crazy, even though I would totally commercialize it if we figure out how to do, like, to 3D print PCBs. That would be amazing.
No bootable medium found. Oh, because I called it Windows 7. Probably that's why I assume.
A box full of capacitors and what I think is a logic gate. I actually don't know what that chip is. I know that's an opto I know that's an opto isolator. What did you say?
Opto coupler, sorry. Right.
Yeah, opto coupler. That's what it's called. That's the correct term. I think it is
No,
still...
bootable medium. Kyle, I'm gonna break your goddamn shins.
Oh, God.
I thought it would work. I'm so sorry.
Is this? It says Texas Instruments, which by... Oh, did you see that Texas Instruments has been held responsible for being the sole, like, cause of the chip shortage?
No. What?
Everyone's blaming Texas Instruments now. I don't know why. What is it? It is TI 748. Yep, it's an AND gate. Pretty sure it's an
I'm
AND
probably
gate.
gonna have to rewatch this video and see if I can even get it to work.
Like I said, our third backup's looking pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're just have B-roll of like completely unrelated projects that people may or may not actually see. Or Kyle will just use it on like the video that we actually make of the red dot.
Yes. Well, not only that, but like a lot of people, like when you're just talking about technology stuff in general, you just overlay stuff that looks tech related.
Techie is really good enough.
Majority of people.
Ooh, it's done. It took 8 minutes and 9 seconds.
Are we done?
It's done.
Are we good? Can we use the joystick? If I plug that in, are we good?
Well, actually, it took 28 minutes. That's not the point. All right, so we're gonna try this.
Oh my god.
This is nerve-wracking because it may or may not work. Also, the oven's done
Yeah, I
preheating.
know, I heard.
Make us food.
Yeah, no problem. My parents made that anyway, but you know, we can cut that
Did they
out.
make that so you and your brother wouldn't starve, or you wouldn't starve?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, his parents are out of town. They're on vacation.
Whole house to ourselves. Woo.
Yay, even though it really isn't. Yeah, they're like, Ian, don't throw any parties. And like, yeah, we're having a party, a nerd party.
Yeah.
Okay, it's joystick D. It worked! It worked!
Yes.
Yes!
Yes. All right, so we're ready to go outside and test it finally.
I guess. I'm gonna have to shut this off and then reboot it in the car. It's gonna take like 5 minutes.
Yep. I'll grab the inverter. Let's do this.
The other thing that's hilarious is that you could be controlling the car from in here, which is kind of scary.
Yeah, I know. This is my 1-to-1 scale.
No, that's the sequel! Remote controlling my car from a distance.
No. Well, maybe if there's a person in there, I'd be okay with it.
No, that's the whole thing, is that we'll just have like someone in the driver's seat ready to slam on the brakes. We're not stupid.
Did you
We're
shut
not
that down?
unsafe. Yeah, I did.
All right. I'll grab this and then this and this. Kyle, do you want to grab the PlayStation controller?
Cameraman, help us.
So excited. Woo.
This is just the first initial test of will the PS4 controller control the car, which I give at this point, I'm hoping it's more than, it's
I'm
greater
giving
than,
it like a 15% chance.
You think it's just gonna not work?
Yeah.
Oof.
Given the current track record, there's not a whole lot to, you know.
I mean, isn't that like all of development? Like,
Just retry.
Eventually, maybe,
My job
yeah.
is just redoing the same thing 30 times in a day, just changing one variable.
But hey, we can get a genuine reaction this way.
That's true. You are going to have your foot hovering on the brake when you do this, right?
Correct.
Okay, good. Also, how many watts is this power adapter so don't blow up my power
Like
inverter?
60.
Oh, it'll be fine. Yeah,
Oh, are you grabbing it?
yeah, I got it.
Grabbed it, but all
You're the
right.
one who's driving.
Okay.
Camera one, did you get the other one on?
Yep.
Cool.
There's a 120 watt power
YouTubers.
adapter in here. Other side.
Other side, son of a bitch.
Where's that power adapter?
It's currently underneath my foot.
Can I?
Okay, we're just gonna tangle me up in cords. It's all good.
Yeah. All right, so I can't turn on the car yet, but we gotta make sure the comma 2 is good, and it
It
is.
will not turn on until after that power inverter is not powered.
I don't know how this is gonna fuck over the comma.
This shouldn't at all, right?
Well, maybe. It's not in joystick mode anymore.
It is not in joystick mode. That is concerning.
we unplugged it and plugged it in.
Oh, you're
Ooh,
right.
that's probably what did it.
Well, he can just re-add it, but we have to pull it out of off-road mode, so I might kill the laptop.
Just kill the
sorry.
power. The laptop just dies.
I think we can do this. We can put it in auxiliary mode. I hope.
That's on. Yeah, we're good.
All right.
I'm turning my hat around because, frankly, I don't like wearing a hat like a douchebag.
Okay.
Come on.
It's gonna be a while.
Come on. So how was the drive up, Kyle? I had to stop at the gas station, and it was like $3.24 a gallon.
I do really love that nice and slow boot time. It's just really great. It's the best thing ever. We're just gonna. Oh, never mind. I guess I can't.
What were you gonna do?
Slightly crack a window to try to. Oh no! If it's gonna beep at me the whole time, I'm gonna flip shit and die.
Can you not open up the window?
No, not in aux mode.
Okay, can you turn on the lights so that way we can the camera can actually see us? Yeah, that helps.
I don't know which way it goes.
Yes.
Yeah, we're slowly just fogging up the car.
I really
waiting
hope
on the fucking
that
laptop
when you turn on the car, it doesn't cut the power for a split second.
That would be fucking hilarious if it happens. Oh, man.
That happens in my car. It'll cut. Hopefully it's just the headlights.
No, it's just the headlights.
Those probably do draw quite a lot of power.
Yeah, the laptop probably draws quite a lot of power, too.
It's 60 watts. It's fine.
It's fine.
Okay, terminal.
Oh, good.
All right, cool. Does the comma in hotspot mode?
It's not in.
No, it doesn't matter. I can.
Yeah, you can just. We're gonna use the home network.
We don't have a fucking private key. Can you go inside, get my flash drive that has the private key on it?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I really hope the car doesn't cut the power now.
Key not detected, oh no.
Yep, that's what I'm thinking.
Key location.
It's currently in Ian's pocket. No, so you need a private key to log into it. And our private key is currently on a flash drive that is sitting on the kitchen table.
All right, where's Chandler's?
And I have to install a package that will convert that private key into a format that Linux can understand, because why would it be compatible, Microsoft? Actually, no, I can't blame Microsoft for this one. This one isn't their fault. This one is Putty's fault, but that's okay. Because when Putty was made, it wasn't made for it was made for Windows, not Linux. So sudo apt install puttygen. Sudo apt
I'm pretty sure this is the right one. If not, I grabbed two others.
Just grab all the ones that are on the table.
Yeah, I just grabbed them all.
I have to install Putty so we can convert the key. All right, this is a big pain in
That's
the
a
butt.
VGA port, Chandler.
Ah! Okay. Okay, it's dark. I can't see.
Bruh. Your eyes are shit.
Dude, they actually are, though. That's why I have to,
Oh, man.
it's okay. I don't blind people on the road. I do not drive with my brights on all the time.
Hopefully there's a key in there. Is the key in that one? Oh, it's in the openpilot folder, right?
Yes, it is it's in the,
it's
the crappy openpilot folder that was very incorrect.
the release branch.
Yes, which was the wrong one, but okay. Copy. Paste. Like doing this like my grandma just right clicking.
Well, it's not a touch screen because of the age.
There you go.
Yep, no problem. Thank you. I'll just stick that in there for now.
Putty gen open SSH private. I think it's lowercase. I don't remember what the command was.
You can Google it.
No, I'll just use -h so I can figure it out real quick. Specify output file. Specify output type. Okay, cool. So it's putty gen -O private open and then whatever the fuck it was called was like C2 something.
Yep.
Dash lowercase o dot ssh slash comma 2 RSA. Hey, that was easy.
Good.
So ssh dash I dot ssh slash comma root at local IP.
Yeah, 192.168.0.1.02. 102. Yep.
It's windy. No route to host. No, it's not on.
No, it is.
Are you sure? Just tapping it is not even on. Now it's on. For sure.
Yeah, now it's on. You're going to have to wait a minute.
I know.
A lot of waiting today.
Yeah.
Been a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Been a bit of a bitch.
How much battery does your car
No
have?
battery.
Your car is running entirely off the 12 volts.
Yeah, that's great. I'm sure that's fine.
We try to turn the car and the battery's dead.
Oh god, and you can't jump a hybrid either.
Can you not?
Not really.
Oh.
It's bad for the hybrid system.
Okay,
You
but...
should be able to hit it now.
Fuck! Do you have it on... Is 2.4 and 5 on an isolated subnet?
Shouldn't be.
Okay. That would be, like, really bad.
You could try pinging it.
Oh, it worked this time.
Good.
It just needed to... It wasn't in the right boot. So what was the command again?
I don't remember. You're gonna have to Google it.
Fuck! Okay.
You have internet.
I do, but it's annoying.
I'm sure
I'm on a quad-core shitty system from 2012.
Do you want me to just fucking Google? I don't have a phone on me.
It's going to be faster to just Google it on my phone.
Yeah.
Race to Google.
Race to Google. Everyone pulls out devices.
Honestly, Kyle's
Okay, look at that. Now Google openpilot.
Yeah, actually, it's going to be faster for me to just pull it up on my phone. You're actually going to type this in. Oh, wait, I don't want tools set up. I want the tools are already set up. I want the other page that's...
Oh, right, you want dev.openpilot, or dev.com.8a.
No, I wanted the...
Docs, sorry.
Docs. Dios. What the fuck am I doing? I have the... You literally sent me the link to this on Discord. Oh, shit. I forgot to text Russell what time I have to... I have a meeting with Russell tomorrow at noon. Oof. We can do this with a keyboard.
Yeah, I know.
If we can't get the controller to work, we can always just type it in on the keyboard.
Yeah, okay. There you go. Okay.
All right, you took about the same amount of time, but at least I can copy and paste the commands here. Okay. On your common device. Paste.
Nope.
Motherfucker. Oh, there it goes.
Okay.
Okay, now we can try to reboot it and...
No, I'm not going to turn it on. We'll just go with the whole thing now. Because it says that it wants it done with the device on, like, not in drive mode. So if you can start that there. Good.
I forgot to type in laptop IP. Oops. Actually, I don't even know what the laptop IP is, but I do need another tab anyway, so I'm just going to do this.
I think it's ifconfig?
Show. No, they changed it. ifconfig doesn't work anymore.
Oh.
.0.9.
Okay.
So now that's working, and then we'll just do...
PlayStation control's not connected?
It is not. Plug it in. And you're going to be the one holding it, because you're going to be the one dangerously driving it.
Ghost riding the whip.
Ghost riding the whip. That is probably not the correct term, but we're going to go with it. And then we do export ZMQ equals 1. Then we're going to do tools/joystick D. Which actually, wait, I'm missing a step. And shell. And then I'll run export ZMQ, because I actually don't remember when I do pip and shell, if it resets the environment variables. So I'm just going to not take a risk, and I'm just going to redo it.
That's fine.
Then we're going to do Python tools, joystick D. It's receiving. Can't see out the fucking windshield. Yeah, probably turn that on full blast. I'm going to put on a seatbelt.
Yep, that's my
Kyle, it's probably a good idea.
on top of the microphone, but that's okay.
It's fine. Oh, God.
Oh, boy.
Okay, the engine is charging the battery. The comma cannot see shit.
Doesn't need to see shit.
A little the frost, right?
Yeah, well.
It'll be fine. Go around Kyle's car.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we need to be somewhat close to the house, because this will disconnect from the Wi-Fi at some point. Now just try to, like, move the sticks.
Just don't move it right.
Nothing? Nothing. Oof!
You see it on the Linux terminal.
Yes, the laptop is like going nuts right now. But ABS-Y is doing nothing. I don't have keyboard mode on. Here, wait. We're going to Control C real quick. Oh, yeah. Try all of the buttons. See if you're missing anything. But it is axis-based, so...
Does it only pick up the axes?
It does only pick up the axes, yes. I tried the X button. Let's try pressing buttons to see if anything else happens. I think it is only axis-based. But, yeah, it is only picking up the axis. Okay. So, that didn't work. Deactivate it real quick. We're going to try something else. Okay, so I'm going to rerun it in keyboard mode.
Okay.
Yeah, keep your hands on the wheel, because I will have control of the car if this works.
Okay.
Okay. Are you prepared?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Activate. I'm giving it gas.
I don't think the serial's connected, maybe.
Yeah, it's not connected because I was giving it full fucking throttle. Oh, that would have been so bad. Oh God. Okay, so something is not connected.
Yeah, I think it's the serial thing.
Okay.
T-Mux window, maybe.
Let me double check that this is the correct IP address, but I'm pretty sure it was.
I gotta make sure that no one's coming up our driveway behind us as well.
Oh yeah, you do have neighbors behind you. Oh, no, that was definitely the right one. Okay.
And you're sure it needs the PC's IP and not the IP of the Android?
It says laptop
yeah, it
IP.
says laptop IP.
Yeah.
I think it's something on the common with the joystick there. I don't know if the serial. Maybe we have to build. Maybe we have to build it on the thing because I don't think it has serial downloaded on there.
It does. It's
does?
running.
All right.
Yeah, it's actively running. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I'm gonna go look at the script that it's having me run. Real. That was sadly underwhelming. Oh, it's binary. It's binary. It's binary. Yeah, that don't work. That doesn't work. That doesn't. Just go away. Okay. Okay. We're gonna try running this again. You may have to. I know you probably are not going to be too happy with it. You might have to put a dev build on your comma.
I don't have a problem with that.
You don't have a problem with that?
No,
okay.
I don't give a shit.
So,
Oh, we gotta maybe make sure that we're not overcooking the pizza roll.
Yeah, let me do one more thing, and then
Go quick.
We'll go quick. We'll run inside.
And then we'll just put this on master.
Activate it.
Activate it?
Activate it. Okay. We're going to do... Well, first, I'm actually going to try steering. Not moving. Try gas.
Is there a button you need to click on there to
It's activated.
What does the wheel do in the upper right-hand corner?
That is just verifying.
This just tells you that it's active.
Yeah. All right, deactivate it. We're going to go inside. Let's try this again in a few minutes after our dev build builds.
Okay. We're probably going to have to put master on it and compile it?
Yeah. That's what I would recommend. Which, by the way, master got a commit about an hour ago. So this is unstable by definition.
Well, we're doing...
If I recall, Comma is like regularly putting out builds like every single week.
Not week, like
once a month. Right?
Once a month is what it is. Okay. Just shut it off, I guess. This laptop's gonna die, but it will. Okay, stop the recording on the cameras.
So we're going fully with master. I don't love that. That's a bit farther than I've ever gone, but
You said you were okay with it.
I don't care. I think...
You can always put the production build back on afterwards, right?
Yeah, no, it's super easy. Why is this Wikipedia?
The issue is the builds take a long time, because it's building on effectively an Android phone.
Not effectively.
Yeah, it is building an Android phone.
Yes, that's a good point. Apparently we can also...
CIA.
I was trying to, like, build it in the car.
I've done this before. I forget what the exact thing is.
So I'm assuming you're just doing, like, a git pull on the machine, right?
Yeah.
I was thinking about that on all of my like equipment that I bought recently. It's like, oh man, if
this video does well, he can write it off on his taxes. What are you doing? Are you waiting for the build now? How long does it take?
I don't know. No, I'm not waiting on the build. I'm waiting to download.
It's downloading at a blistering 6.4 megabytes a second.
Woo, that's fast as hell!
Meanwhile, my dad watches this video and he's like, 6.4 meg, that's fast enough, right?
That's fast enough, right? Bro, it should be like
My
20.
dad, who thought fractional T1 band was the best thing ever,
Oh no.
which is I think 1.5 megs a second.
Yeah, so should we start working on the red dot now?
The red dot. Oh god.
I don't
percentage on it. Did you have to do a full clone, or is it just a get pull?
No, it's a full clone.
Oof.
And then I get to check out the master branch.
It's at 93%.
Okay, good.
And besides, I thought when you clone it, it clones to the master branch anyway.
It does, but
Yeah, so you don't need to
we have to
check it
check out master branch and then download the dependencies as well, which will go
Did you
quick.
get recursive?
Not yet.
Damn it.
I'm following their instructions, okay?
Well, if you do recurse submodules, you don't have to wait as long.
Well, you know what? It's gonna recurse submodules anyway in a new command.
All right, try number 2.
Attempt 2.
Attempt 2, even though it's dark out.
Yeah, as you can tell,
only
it might be-
5:30 or no, 6 o'clock.
Yeah, 6 o'clock. It gets dark way too late now.
I hate daylight savings.
You probably don't need to record this with your phone yet.
No. You gotta get all of it. More footage is more better, probably.
I don't know about that. We're just
Well, no, we
sitting
just
here
we just
turning
had a
on
discussion.
computer.
It's
It'll
more
be
footage-
B-roll.
All right.
More footage is more better unless it's greater than 10 hours per person per editor. Is that actually like a thing that you've read, or is that just like?
But I
No,
feel
that's
like
just an
like a
estimation based on my
full-time
knowledge.
editing job.
Okay.
I agree. So less than 10 hours would be ideal, but I don't think me recording this would.
Yeah, I don't
Be too
think
bad.
we're gonna have it.
Well, that plus these cameras are gonna have like 15 minutes. They're gonna have like 30 to 40 minutes each.
Yeah,
at
not
most.
a whole lot.
Yeah. And really, my angle here is, I guess, the exact same as this guy.
Cool. Okay, try again. It should have 0.5% throttle, 1% throttle.
Keep going.
Oh my god, it's working. Okay, I'm gonna decrease that just a hair.
No way!
Now I'm at 1% throttle. Did you just kill it?
Yeah, I just killed it.
Oh my god, it worked! Holy shit!
Let's go!
Let's go!
All right.
I had to give it a decent amount of throttle before it moved.
All right, give me the PlayStation controller. Holy fuck! Dude.
Okay, let me kill the script. Let me kill the script.
Yep. Dude, this is terrifying. I felt it. I was like, oh, okay.
Give it some more. Okay, Alright, activate it in the car. You have to activate the car first.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, go. Ooh, if the joystick mode doesn't work, I'm still gonna consider this a success though.
Joystick doesn't seem to.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I see
It's
it.
very, very slow. I think the motor in your car might not be strong enough. It was definitely moving though.
It was moving the steering wheel.
Okay.
Oh.
So it does move
Oh.
the steering wheel. The throttle doesn't seem to be working though.
Is it the right stick that does throttle? That would be weird. Is it clicking in both sticks?
No,
that
so
does
one
throttle?
thing is at 1.0, and ABS-Y is going all over the place. So the steering, that's weird. All right, let me switch back to keyboard real quick. Okay. Interesting.
Interesting.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, we'll see if it'll engage.
Okay. Okay. Keyboard mode activated. I'm gonna
See
go.
if you can get it some left, right.
Okay. I am currently like turning the wheel really hard right now.
I feel no torque. I think
Nothing?
you need to give it a little bit of speed. So.
Oh, that's probably a part of the issue too.
Turning speed.
The 10 minute speed. Give me 1 second. So we are at 2% throttle. 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, 0.6?
0.6. So we're at 60% throttle.
Oh my god, that's far too much. Okay.
Yeah. So it works, but it's like really slight. Currently the steering is at -0. Alright, turning around. Alright, cool.
Oh, I know what happened.
What?
Connect to the Wi-Fi of the Compilot.
Oh, yeah, we're out of Wi-Fi range.
Yep, that's what happened.
Okay, so, well, it says I have Wi-Fi on this laptop, but the Comma 2 might have lost connection. It sits on 5. So I think the Comma might have lost connection. That's what that big beeping angry error message was about, maybe.
No, it failed to disengage the cruise. It didn't like.
Okay.
But I'm gonna turn on the hotspot now because we don't need the actual internet.
Yep.
Oh, right. Well, we can just network, tethering.
I am currently switching over. I have the Wi-Fi up on the laptop.
Okay. So there's that guy is now hosting his own thing, and we're probably gonna have to redo some of the commands.
No. The only one I should have to redo is this one, which, yeah, that one lost call connection.
Okay, so yeah, that's what happened.
Yep, that's what happened.
I figured it's maybe.
That
Yeah, I
makes
bet when we
sense.
got slightly too far out of range, it died.
Yeah, that's probably what happened. I'm gonna use keyboard again though,
Okay.
just to be sure. So let me hook up to the. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Connect.
Swag, comma.
Let me make sure I have it right. Oh, I did not have it right. I missed the O. Oof. Connect.
Apparently, the comment 2 thinks we were going 18 miles an hour.
Oh, it is wrong.
IP address show.
Oof. There we go. So I am at 143. There is one command I do have to redo, which is fine. So 43.1.
Is it yelling at me for looking at the...
No, it's not. It's in joystick mode. I think it's doing. Oh, permission denied. What?
Yeah,
Oh,
I feel like it's something's popping up on the screen.
there we go. All right, cool. Nothing was popping up on the screen. I was watching it.
Maybe I'm just retarded, or...
Okay, so 3. I gotta look at what the IP is. It's 153.
Yeah, I swear, I feel like I'm just seeing something pop up, but maybe I'm dumb. It feels like a white... Oh, it's
that's
flickering in joystick mode. That's what it is.
That's
Okay.
what it is. Okay, so so joystick mode. We are now sending packets between the laptop and the joystick mode. So if you want to go get prepared again,
Okay.
I'm gonna do keyboard again the first time just to verify. My camera's mad now too. You know what? Screw it.
It's
I think
out of space.
it's
We're
out of-
done.
okay.
We're not...
that's fine. I don't want to deal with it.
We're not dealing with the cameras.
To be real YouTubers, we need like 30 SD cards.
Is that a car behind us, or no?
There's my car.
No, coming up the driveway. I don't think
Do you
so.
see it? It's not moving.
Alright, whatever.
Okay.
That's a stiff wheel now? That's fine.
Why is it stiff?
Alright.
All right. I am now sending controls. Let me do throttle again.
Okay. Yep, you're good.
Throttle's good. All right. I am currently giving it 0 throttle. Now let's try steering.
Okay. Yep, you're good,
Oh my gosh, it's working. Did you stop it? When you...
No, I didn't.
Okay, well, I think I have to give it a little bit of speed.
Yeah, you have to give it speed.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I am currently at 2% throttle,
Okay.
or 20% throttle.
Steer right.
He corrected it a lot. I'm gonna decrease the throttle down to half a. I am like turning hard. Yeah, this is not gonna work. We're gonna have to use the PS4 controller. So stop.
Hold
Is that a
on,
car
I'm
coming?
sure
That car is coming down this right. All right, we have to turn around. This is so weird.
So cool.
Do we want to go to the parking lot now?
I said let's do it.
Alright. I need to...
Can we go get Kyle's tripod and his phone?
Alright, and we can pull the GoPros out of the car as well.
Yeah, we're not gonna use them because they're out of space and I really.
We can just use the comma 2 as the...
Oh yeah, that can be the road cam.
Yeah.
So you know how to pull footage off that?
Yeah.
Cool.
It comes in HVAC, it's 20 frames a second, by the way.
Okay, it's not that high.
That's
frame
fine.
rate.
In post
On the laptop?
Yes. Why? But yeah, I was gonna get it all reconfigured by the time we got there.
Yeah. Might not want to keep the joystick param, but it'll probably be fine.
Well, actually, let's wait until after you're done explaining everything because this is gonna be super bright. It's gonna look like garbage.
Okay. That's fine. You'll have time. I'll try to explain this stuff later then.
Once it's like actually activated.
Yeah. I don't actually know what changes we made, so...
The only change that I made was the joystick mode. I did not change anything else.
Sorry, I said we and I meant the
You meant-
team.
You meant the common dev team.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, you consider yourself part of the dev team.
I guess.
B as in humanity.
It is open source software, everyone owns it.
Yeah, we is in the comic community. Although it's MIT licensed, so it's a little more complicated than copyleft. Because I think technically MIT is copyright. However, it's copyright with the permission to do whatever you want with it, which is a whole legal issue in itself that I don't want to get into.
Alright, so this here is stock openpilot without any of our odd modifications. It is the master branch, so it's an untested development version. However, it did pass the continuous integration test, so it should be safe enough to use, but I will certainly be keeping my hands on the wheel at the moment. So once we get up over this hill, I'm going to engage this here. You'll hear a beep, the comm screen goes green, my foot is now off the gas, and the device is sending cruise commands. In fact, I actually can pull my hands off the wheel here, and I can tweak it a little bit, and it'll stay in its lane. So that's sort of how that system works. It's looking at the lane lines there. That red path indicates the path that it wants to drive on, and yeah, I don't know. Technically basic, but also very complicated, right? Driving a car is easy, keeping it between the lanes is easy, but doing it like a human would and it being predictable is a very difficult psychological problem.
Can avoid like pedestrians and stuff like that?
No, it'll absolutely plow through a pedestrian. I mean, maybe if it's labeled right in the data set. I know they are labeled as obstacles to be avoided. But I haven't tested it. I've seen people walk in front of it, and it doesn't pick them up.
I'm sorry,
so...
I do not plan on getting in front of this car while we are currently using a self-driving kit on it.
Yeah, no, that's a bad idea.
For science!
For science, you monster! So yeah.
Will it automatically, like, if the car in front of you is going slower, will it also slow down?
Yep,
So
there's radar in the front of this vehicle. That's just a stock system, and it'll use the radar to do its best to match the speed of the vehicle in front of it. At some point, they're looking for vision-only adaptive cruise, meaning that it'll use the camera to integrate over time the speed of the lead vehicle. And from there, you'll have the ability to predict and match speeds and do all that stuff. But for now, it's using two systems, a camera and a radar. The radar providing a point cloud that it can use to determine a handful of things like the lead car, and the camera, which is using to determine the lane positioning.
Does it have a lane change assist like a lot of newer vehicles do?
And it does. I can just give it a poke here, and it will automatically move over to the next lane. My hands are fully off the wheel here, and it changed lanes.
Just to be clear, for anyone who is like, hey, I want to put this on my car. This is a dev kit. This is not ready for like full-time for like a consumer to use.
Right, if you don't know anything about Linux or
Computers.
Programming or computers, this is not the thing for you. It will crash your car into a bridge, off a bridge, and keep going because it has the ability to fail, and it can fail in spectacular ways. Obviously, there are limitations. This is a torque-limited system, so if I really want to grab the wheel and move it, I can. It's not gonna. It will technically fight me, but it can only fight me to a certain extent. It can't fight me with all it's got, which is like a 1 horsepower electric motor. It can only fight me with 3 Newton meters, for those who that means anything for.
America noises.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
That is not a lot of force. Pretty much a child could probably overcome that.
Yeah, and it depends on each car. Certain cars have more or less torque. Toyotas have more torque, for example. Hondas have less. You can do certain things, which I cannot speak about, to a Honda to give it more torque, but that is legally
gray.
Rough and gray, yes. So yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Ian's TED Talk about a self-driving system that is very big. Isn't there like stories of people who like bought these and like thought they were going to be like literally just a Tesla-style self-driving kit, black box?
There are some,
but in reality, that they are not at all like that.
There are also people who are like, hey, so I just bought it. How do I even use the software? And it's like, you bought a $1,000 dash cam. Why? Because that's what it's officially marketed as. Legally, it's a dash cam. Any software that you install and test and beta deal with on the roads is entirely on the fault of the user, on the user's end. The comma takes zero responsibility for anything you do. If you crash your car off a bridge, they don't have any responsibility. It's on you for having done that.
How does it know how fast to go?
How does it know how fast to go? I set that on the cruise speed.
Oh, okay, cool.
They're working on some end-to-end stuff, meaning that it drives exactly the way a human would, and in that case, it predicts roughly what speed it should go, like a human would.
Like read that speed limit sign up there, for example?
Uncertain. Legally, Toyota has the patents to read speed limit signs. But if the model learns it, for example, I don't know, you're going to tell me that model learned how to read that speed limit sign and is infringing on Toyota's patent? Right, like, it could be. I don't know.
Realistically, it could also probably just use Google Maps. Like, that's how most speed limit systems
It
work.
won't. That's a buggy in bad sense. Bad, not a good way to do it. Things change. So it's more looking at the cars around you, perhaps, and the road type, and all that sort of thing.
Can it complete a full turn, like a 90-degree turn on another road?
Depends on the vehicle, the road, and all of that. Honda, no way. This car depends on how tight the radius is and the speed, right? Lower speed generally means a bit more torque, so it'll complete that 90-degree better. But if you're trying to take it, I don't know, 50 miles an hour, it's going to have to be a relatively shallow 90-degree turn.
Yeah, as we saw, that torque on that motor, when it was stationary, it could not, like, do a full turn.
Yeah.
You're going to have to be moving.
A little bit, right. That's just a fact of life.
Yeah, but it's not like a powerful enough motor that can just completely overcome all...
Oh, it is.
Could it?
Oh, yeah. I don't know what the torque limits are, but they're
You could probably...
respectively very safe.
So you probably could.
If you were to remove those torque limits, you've got a 1 horsepower electric motor on your hands.
Okay.
Like, that's no joke. That will snap your arm and not give a single shit.
Is it legally torque limited by Toyota, or is it torque limited by Kama?
It's torque limited on Toyota's end, but Kama also adds their own limitations on top of that.
In case that someone overrides the Toyota limitations.
Well, if someone overrides the Toyota limitations, they're getting banned from using Kama software, but yeah.
Oh, is that actually like a rule?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, maybe that's not quite... Well, I think they don't like it. They've got stuff against it. But, yeah. Also, you might want to boot up that laptop now.
Okay. So we're getting close?
Yeah.
Got it.
What was the yellow triangle?
The yellow triangle is a lead car indicator. That indicates that there's a vehicle detected in front of me.
A laptop for 3 hours.
Unfortunately, we kind of can't listen to any music because it's all copyrighted, but... Okay, portable Wi-Fi hotspot's on.
Alright, cool. I had to wait until you had that.
Unfortunately, you might have to reboot that laptop. Or we can force reboot the Kama.
Why would we have to reboot either?
Because of joystick mode. Controls D will be started even if I put this car in park. Well, we can try it. We'll see what happens.
We might have to... I might actually have to turn off the laptop.
I can reboot the Kama 2 instead.
Oh, okay, you can unplug
it shouldn't cruise fault the car. If it does, I know how to fix it.
Okay. Okay, so I think you're gonna have to forcibly reboot that Kama first thing.
Just put it in, add the test mode to it and see.
Come on, boot up the terminal, damn it. Alright, thank you. IP, where's the on button? Thank you.
And try not to hit the SOS call button.
Oh yeah, that'd be bad.
I don't know what it does.
That is a very bad spot for an SOS button.
Yeah, I know.
Was it QZM or QMZ?
QMZ.
QMZ, there's one.
Oh, is it ZMQ? Bro, am I gonna have to find this?
No, you're gonna have to find it. I can't freaking find it. I'm actually getting pissed off.
Docs.comma.
Well, I didn't know that.
AI.
Joystick D.
Oh, I know that. Okay.
We're running.
Docs.comma AI.
Turn off the lights. I'll dim the brightness on the laptop as best I can. I can find the button. Thank you. You found it. We are on the lowest possible brightness.
Well, that's because I know where it is.
No, we're not.
What the joystick is?
Oh, do we not? Do you not know which one does what?
No, I have no clue. Wait, really?
Yeah.
I'm connected. Oh, no. Joystick via Bluetooth to it?
Well, no, via the keyboard. Okay, I forgot this is an electric.
I don't want that.
Car. No.
No.
Okay,
I want the PlayStation controller.
You want wireless control?
I guess
I don't want wireless
and see what it does.
Is this gas?
Currently something is at 1.0 right now.
Oh, it's on the wrong axis. You're gonna have to remap this.
Oh shit! Really?
This here
steering?
is steering.
Oh no.
So we need to flip them. We need to invert them.
Okay, turn on the lights again. I don't know if I know how to invert them, but I'm gonna just modify this.
It should be really easy, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, it's inverted. That's what it is.
So all I need to do is switch the axes.
Yeah, invert the axes. Should be easy.
Okay, we're gonna figure out which axes do what. So that's on the keyboard. That's not what I'm worried about. We're about joystick. Axes value?
You can invert that, maybe?
I don't know if that's gonna invert though. Self-cancel button trigger. That couldn't work. I'm just looking through and seeing what does what. Dude, there is like no code in this whatsoever.
Yeah, it's really small.
This is only like a handful of lines. I'm trying to figure out what does what. Max axis value 255, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, I'm gonna try doing this. This is my next guess. 0. 1. No, that's not gonna jerk. That's not gonna work.
We don't want to like hammer the gas. I don't know.
That's what I'm worried about too. Although, in theory, if we just invert these, this should work.
Actually, we can test it without it sending commands though, by just not activating.
Yeah, not activating the car.
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to figure out what does what. Joystick. Okay, this is a joystick thread, so this.
So we know what the issue is though. Luckily.
We do, but I have no idea what does what. Like, I have absolutely no clue.
What is the issue?
So the axes. This is steering, and this is
The throttle.
the throttle.
Interesting.
So our issue is we need to figure out how we can swap these two without like killing ourselves. Well, that's the issue. Is that I think it's this block that like actually gets.
Well, true. Return joystick.update. If return data.messaging new message test joystick data test axes value A for axes value something.
So my
full screen that please.
Okay. So my what I was going to do is that I was going to reverse the axes and see if that fixed it. Like literally reverse the axes hydron. Reverse the axes array, which I gotta remember what isn't dot reverse a function that you can do on arrays in Python?
Don't
Don't do it.
Do it, yeah. I've got a feeling that it might be.
Well, that's the other thing I'm confused about too, is that joystick.update seems to be the thing that actually gets the data.
Is it some Ubuntu error with the joystick declaration, maybe?
No. I don't think it has nothing to do with the OS right now. Tell you what, if you really want to try to just reverse them,
Yeah, reverse them.
we can, but I don't think that's going to change anything.
If
We'll
it
try
does, I tell you, I'm a very good programmer, right, guys?
Okay. They're reversed.
Now run it and see what happens. Oh no.
Let go. It made no difference.
Yeah,
Why
okay.
is your throttle?
Oh, this is the steering.
Yep.
Hit R for me.
Nothing.
What does hitting R do?
It's supposed to reset the axes, but it did not work.
Wait, that just inverted the display, didn't it?
Yep. That's what I was telling you.
Okay.
I'm just.
Do you want to invert those again? Oh yeah.
I'm not just gonna leave it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Okay. Def.update. All right. So this gets the event. This gets the self event accuracy. It normalizes the value, and it then center can be noisy. Dead zone of 5%. Okay, that's fine. But then the next question is that what is the different axes values called? What are the events? This is going to fill up the console, but we can figure this out. We're going to do print joystick event.code.
All right, you don't need semicolons.
Stop. Okay, let me see that. This is XY, right Y. I'm looking at what the report codes are called.
Mm-hmm.
So this X and X, I think, is what we care about.
Yeah, we care about X
Okay,
for
cool. For steering.
steering.
So I just slapped my lapel mic. I apologize.
It's okay. I probably hit this one a couple times,
Mm-hmm.
or at least made some noise with it.
Yeah, Y being your throttle, we're gonna do right Y. So your other stick is your throttle.
Okay.
So I don't know if this is going to work, but real quick. Oh wait, let me comment out that print statement so we don't get a bunch of garbage.
Oh, good idea. I have no idea if that'll work, but hopefully.
I have no idea either.
It might be something on the commas.
Well, that's what
side
I'm
of how
thinking.
it's interpreting
Is that
it.
maybe I have to like basically still get the R and the Y values and then just like move them and like trick the comma into thinking they're different values.
All right,
So
we're gonna need to move that drone. I
gib
think.
stick. No.
Gib stick.
Gib stick.
Oh, right,
I
right.
want to test to make sure my changes work first.
That looks correct.
That does look correct. However, might be inverted.
We're gonna see.
You want to just try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
All right, let's just try it.
Let me get out of the way.
ATC, this is.
It is running whenever you are ready.
That's the. Yep.
Throttle
okay.
working?
So you're inverted. So
What do you mean inverted?
just invert those two arguments.
Are you serious?
Yeah, just invert those two arguments.
So, oh shit, it's mad.
It's mad.
So basically, make it so when it's one.
Just invert the two numbers. Invert X and Y.
Okay. 1 second. Which, well, can I just multiply them by -1?
Switch positions of them. They're the wrong sticks.
Ah! Chill.
Bro, it's right here. I think.
No, that's the display.
That's what you changed. And that changed the sticks.
Oh.
That literally changed the sticks. So make that RY.
This one R1?
Yes, make it RY.
R. Damn it. R.
Y and delete
Y.
the X. And then make that one X.
Okay.
Save it. Run it.
Okay, let me get my phone back up so I can record it.
I love how we just made this change on the fly. Okay, ready?
Yep.
I think. Yeah.
Oh my god. Is the steering working? Holy shit. We are driving a car with a PS4 controller. Oh, it's mad.
It's mad. I think that we have to override the Panda safety code.
Okay.
I don't know how to do that though.
But we just fucking drove a car with a PS4
Yeah, we just
controller.
fucking drove a car with a PlayStation controller.
Oh my god, that's so cool. We have succeeded, but only for like about 30 seconds.
That's fine.
Do you want to try it again?
Yeah.
Alright. Holy shit, that was like, you can feel that throttle. Turning exceeds steering limit, so it was too much torque. That is a Jeep. Oh, we're going around it though. Holy crap. If you're gentle with it, it kind of works.
Fucking gone. And it's gone.
Ah, we got it to work for a second though.
We got it.
Oh my god.
That's so cool. Oh man. All right, we're gonna try again here.
Oh my
There's no way you could drive this. There is no way you could drive this.
Unless we override the torque safety code.
We're gonna put someone else in the driver's seat here.
Okay.
I really want to know though.
Are you just holding it down? You're gonna see how much speed we can get?
Oh
Oh my god.
That's not bad.
Holy shit.
That's not bad. That's fun as hell, dude.
Oh my god. Alright.
Can you maybe switch the throttle to a to the joystick or to the trigger? You think? RT maybe?
So you want me to like have it as a
Yeah. Oops.
Well, the reason why I don't trust that is because notice whenever it was in when it
It'll
was-
just hold the brakes.
Wait, what?
It'll just hold the brakes, I think. Well, we got to check. Let's see. So we know that 0 is. So let's see. This is brake. Brake is -1. Okay, you might have to invert it though.
That's what I'm worried about.
I don't think that's difficult, right? Do you want to try it, or do you want to just keep messing with this? for now?
I think that's fine.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so who wants to? Do you want to switch?
How about you go first and I go last?
Oops! I just knocked the
Let me unplug my lapel mic.
lapel mic off.
I just unplugged mine. Go find the lapel mic before you speak on it.
I found it.
You got it? Alright, cool.
Cool. I guess I'll just stick this guy on the mic.
Yep. I'm going to just gently move the laptop. You're gonna have to.
Yeah, I'll switch places with you. I'll be in the front.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh boy. Yep. Let me get out.
Vehicle is in park. Oh shit. I am wrapped around the power cable.
Okay.
There we go. Good. Oh, this is gonna be scary. Oh shit.
All right.
Yeah, you're just as tall as me, so this works out
So are you
pretty well.
Are you familiar with how openpilot works?
The only thing you're gonna have to instruct me is how to activate it.
Okay, so gas or brake will disengage.
Okay.
Your safety is obviously holding onto the brake.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
So now we're in park.
Yep.
You can hold the brake, put her in drive, and set the controller on your lap. You can move the seat around if you need to or anything
I
like
think
that.
this is fine for now.
All right, so put her in drive.
Drive.
Okay. So that green dude means that cruise control is active.
Okay.
Set.
Okay.
Cancel.
Okay.
This will deactivate cruise. If anything goes wrong, you can also hit this and the brake.
Okay. How do I? All right. What's next?
So you're gonna release your foot off the brake and quickly press the set button.
Okay.
Let me throw my seatbelt on.
Okay, I'm going to do this very gently because I am only slightly nervous about driving a car with a PS4 controller.
Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna unplug both of these because you unplugged your lapel, right?
Yep.
Okay. So now you're good. The right stick, as you had mentioned,
Is throttle.
is throttle. So I think
Okay.
you could feel it slightly. Yep.
Yep.
Okay. You're at a pretty high throttle value there, actually, but you're good.
No, I am not.
And then you can turn with the other stick.
Oh my god. Holy fuck. This is like terrifying.
And it's torque limited. Oh, you're good. Stop.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay. Holy shit!
How's it feel? You both just drove for like the first time with the PS4
Oh my
controller in
god!
the car.
This is so trippy! I can't do this. This is so bad. Oh wait, I'm not. I don't have activated. Shit. Okay, let's activate it.
Yep.
Open pilot unavailable.
You have to let go of the brake.
Fuck,
It will
okay.
not activate without the brake.
Okay.
There you go.
I'm trying to do
Try not
this really gent. Dude, we need to add a scaler to this. There's
Uh,
no fucking way.
Um,
I'm stopping it. I'm not gonna be able to make that. Oh my god.
failed to cancel cruise. Oh man, you're good.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna like turn around.
Yeah,
real quick.
manually drive the car.
I'm going to turn
around.
the car around before I continue doing what I was doing.
Manually driving a car when you can drive with the PS4 controller.
Right? It's almost like he needs the steering torque. I really want to try to disable the panda warnings, but I'm not sure how.
Okay.
So
Maybe that'll be part 2.
that can be part 2 if we want to work on it next weekend or tomorrow or whatever.
Oh god. Okay. Well, I don't have time tomorrow, but all right. Go phase 2.
Yep. Oh, you're going fast.
I just let go of the throttle because I didn't want to go that fast.
Stop, because you're getting close to the curb there. Are you stopping with the plate?
Oh yes. I'm just
You got a
doing
curb
this.
there. You got a curb there.
No, I'm not there.
You're good.
We're good. We're good, dude. I want to do a full loop. That's my goal. Is that I want to do a full oval
Oh
with
my
this.
fucking god.
That is the goal.
We are driving in the oncoming lane, but that's
Oh, that's fine. All right, I'm gonna start turning now. I gotta start now.
Hold
I
on.
gotta start turning green.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
Dude, you got it. You got
I
it.
kind of got it. We're nowhere near where I was. It's fine. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm gonna let Kyle try this. This is terrifying.
Stop.
I got it.
There's a car coming up on our side, so pull into a spot.
Okay. All right, where's my phone is up there somewhere.
Dude,
Oh, it's right there. My phone's up there.
We are totally on r/idiots in cars. We should post it ourselves. Ooh. Joystick mode.
Okay.
I can't believe it was that simple, but I told you so, Chandler.
Okay, you were right. It was that simple.
I told you, you asshole. Oh man. Are those lights on?
They're on. Yeah. They can keep. Well, actually, keep them on so the video looks good.
Oh, okay.
All right, cool. All right, now I'm gonna need. Okay, so
Okay, so we're gonna need the thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so green indicator on the little dashboard there, up by the lane thing. You see
This
that?
one or this
Other
one?
side.
That one.
That guy means that your cruise control is off.
Cool.
Is on. Sorry. So radar is on. This is your cancel button. This will cancel the cruise on the car, and then this will turn it fully off. So if anything is still sending commands, press this button, and it'll kill it on the car level.
Mm-hmm.
To engage openpilot, you're gonna pull your foot off the brake, and then you're gonna hit the set button.
Perfect.
And then from there, the car will come to a stop, and then you can pick up the controller. Throttle is up on this stick, Brake is down on this stick. It'll brake pretty hard if you pull all the way back, so you got to be nice and gentle on this one. And this is steering, left, right.
Let's go.
Okay, make sure that the laptop doesn't walk and like fail.
All right, can you send me a command or two by pushing on those sticks? Yep, we're good.
Okay, cool. All right, we are ready when you are, Kyle.
All right, ready when you
We
are.
have to put a car in drive.
Yep.
Go.
This is probably not the best place to do it at. Whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
There's that.
You have to be really gentle, dude. I was like hammering it by accident.
You're at 30% throttle, 40% throttle.
No way.
There's a car coming up this stretch here.
Is there?
Yeah. And be ready to grab the wheel if you have to, by the way. Obviously, the safest thing is to slam the brakes. You know.
This is so cool.
I know it's so cool.
Let's
go. I wonder if you can come to a complete stop, like at a stop sign.
I'm gonna do it at that stop sign.
It's
probably not a good
It's
idea.
probably not a good idea, though.
You don't want to?
No.
Alrighty.
I mean, I know you can fully stop the car, so.
Yes.
My God, this is sick. Watch out for that vehicle over there, and you've got the brights on, so.
Not only are we driving a car with a PS4 controller, we are also blinding people as we do it.
Yeah, you know it. Yeah, and you know this live, so there's that little guy there. He hasn't tripped. I'm surprised.
He only tripped it like
He's
twice.
only hit it a couple times, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like barely touching it.
Oh my goodness.
Alright. Now it's time to follow some driving rules.
Oh no.
Oh my God. Oh. You're on the wrong side of the road.
There we go.
Please don't crash my car.
We're now artificially stopped and then turn way early.
Yeah, because we don't have the torque to do a 90-degree turn. Steering temporarily unavailable. Oh, it just deactivated.
I hit the brake.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Because I was too afraid I didn't know what to do.
Okay.
That's fine. I'm also gonna.
Oh yeah, it is raining.
Here we go.
30% throttle.
This is so cool. Yeah, it seems like it does a notification if
Yeah, if you give it too much torque, it'll.
yeah.
Yeah. I think as you get near 100%.
This is so crazy.
Yeah, unless we override the torque, there's no way we're gonna be able to drive on a road. Not even close.
No, you'd have to do weirdness. Honestly, I'm sort of okay with you trying to stop at this sign.
Alrighty, here we go.
There's nobody here.
Stop at the stop sign.
Move both ways. No way. Okay, gotta be very careful there. Yeah, straight.
Alright, very straight.
I should put
I'm gonna go actually slow if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Slow.
This turn might be above the steering torque.
Yeah, you might have to override
cut
it here.
pretty heavy, but you're at 60% turning radius.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. Oh.
Oh, it's getting mad.
Oh my God, we made it! Do you want to take control from here and loop around?
Yeah, I'll loop around for sure. But first, I gotta stop the stop sign. Ready?
Dude, I can't believe it. That is wild.
That is so
That is
cool.
so wild. Oh man.
That was a very good 5-minute
That was
video.
a really, really good drive. Holy
Oh my
shit,
gosh.
dude.
Okay, Kyle, my next thing is that I want to get back in the driver's seat. I want you to get a Snapchat video of me doing this.
You're gonna
And the
run
reason-
that stop sign.
And the reason why is because I'm going to put this on my Snapchat story as a teaser for all the people who commented on what I was doing.
Oh my God. I'll try to call out when you get near the higher throttle values and then the higher.
Yeah, because I was like, I'm going to have to do what he did and claw it because that was like, it is really sensitive.
I wonder if I should go in the back maybe to be able to do the call outs. Or maybe the laptop
No, I
should
think
go to
that's
the back
fine.
for call outs.
That's fine. I think it's fine just because
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, that was so cool.
if you want to record again on your phone, Kyle, feel free. My phone is back here as well. I'm
Yeah,
going to
we
pull
want
up my
that
Snapchat.
Snapchat thing.
Okay, here is my Snapchat. This is so cool.
This is so cool.
Okay.
I wonder if we could make it better by slightly modifying the scale of the
We could.
program. So, like,
Well,
between
tell you what.
80%.
Let's do that in a part 2 because I honestly don't want to sit here and do that. I just want to play with the car.
Yeah, same. I'm cool with it occasionally having some issues. And then maybe we can try to work on the Panda code a little bit later.
Yes, we can. All right, Kyle, let me know when you're ready. Well, if you're doing Snapchat, do it vertical.
Yep.
Yeah,
Right, cool.
If you're doing Snapchat, you should try to keep the torque limit all the way so that it starts like whoop, 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 and we can scream, "Oh my God, stop the car!"
All right.
I think that'd be funny.
All right, you ready, Kyle?
I'm ready.
30% throttle.
Oh my goodness.
Almost
You're
maximum
driving the car with
steering.
the
You're at like
PS4
80%
controller.
maxed out. Oh, I see. So it hits when you hit -1 on the steering.
Yep.
And,
Oh.
oh my God! Stop the car!
Okay. Oh my God.
There you go.
All right, thank you. That is perfect. I'm going to save that.
Okay. Chandler,
Yes.
will you activate cruise for me?
Oh my God! Record this! Oh my God, this is terrifying. Wait, no, I gotta get a Snapchat of this too. Wait. Okay, I will
I'll
have.
try not to let it die on me.
Okay, wait 1 second to get it up.
Okay. I'll ask you on the Snapchat.
Go.
Chandler, can you please activate the cruise for me?
I have to be out of the break. All right, we're activated.
Fantastic. Thank you.
I have no hands on the wheel right now.
You might want to keep your hands on the wheel.
I have it near the wheel. I don't have them on the wheel.
Ooh.
I have my hand hovering. I have my foot hovering the brake. Oh, nope.
Nope. I don't know why it didn't like me. It must be a like weird cruise that it doesn't like.
Oh my God, this is like.
Man.
In order to not trigger it, I kept it below like 30. I tried to.
Oh, below 30?
Okay,
the thing
you
is-
tell you what. I'm gonna go straighten the car up, and then I want to try it one more time.
Okay.
Because I think what that value is it's the acceleration value. So
Yeah,
when
it
you're
is.
When you're at 30,
You want me to try to?
still accelerating.
Can I try to change the scale?
Yes. If you want to do that right now, if you think you can modify it, feel free. If not, just change it back to the way it was. I do not know where the scaling was going on because of the way it was designed. It's gonna be really fucked up if we have Kyle drive the car from the back seat.
Oh, guys, I got
I hope that's not security. No, it's just some mom in a van.
They think that we are teaching a kid how to drive.
Yeah, just ignore the laptop in the passenger
It is
seat.
really regular for like parents to like
It
teach
is.
their teens how to drive here.
They are stopping. Oh, they kept going. Okay.
Okay, can you give me max steering?
Max steering.
Yep.
All left.
Okay, perfect. It's half.
All right.
Oh, sweet. Where'd you do the multiplication?
It's the mapping function.
Okay.
And then here's all
I'll show you. You're good.
So you did half everything.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
now you hopefully shouldn't trigger the warnings as much.
Okay, cool. So Kyle, ready?
I'm ready.
It might be a little bit weird with some of that, but you should still have the same acceleration, maybe.
Okay. Well, I'm currently at max throttle. I just want to see what happens.
It's still a lot. Of
Yeah, it is
acceleration.
still a lot. I'm at 10 miles an hour.
I wouldn't slam the brakes.
I'm tapping them right now. Dude, I'm at full turn. I can't turn anymore.
Stop the car before you hit that sheep.
Yeah, I can't turn.
Okay.
You're not gonna be able to. You're gonna have
I'm
to.
gonna give you 80. I'm gonna
Dude,
give you
80?
80%.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you 80.
Can I save the script, by the way?
Yeah. I wish I
Put it
could.
on my GitHub gist. Like,
I wish I could map them individually, but I can't.
it's just the two. There's only two mappings.
All right, so now you're at 80.
Okay.
I would probably. Oh, you're fine.
Did you do 80 for everything? Or
Yeah,
just-
you get 80 on both.
Okay, I'm not gonna hit it very hard then. I am currently hard right,
That's probably
Left, you
good.
mean.
hard left. That is
that's
what I mean.
full left.
That is full. I am full.
Yeah,
well,
that's not
it's
enough
yeah, it's
torque.
not enough. I'm
You-
gonna have
you
to.
can't. You're gonna have to.
Yeah,
I mean, it's maybe enough to do a loop.
that's what I'm gonna try to continue going.
I can try to do like 90 or 99%.
Well, I think Kyle was right, and it only was when it hit 100. So maybe I'd hit something.
Oh, it doesn't like the steering, maybe. I don't know.
Maybe Kyle did it like perfectly. I got his whole video. It is gonna be like this crown jewel of the of the video.
I'm gonna try to give it 99.
Like 99.
Yeah.
The throttle, I was fine with half. Honestly, the throttle with half was.
Yeah, but we
plenty.
need the steering, unfortunately.
Oh, you can't do it individually.
No, it has to be both.
That's dumb. Actually, that could be pretty easily modified, but I'll have to do that later on my own time.
Okay, I do have to take a piss, but
I have to activate. All right.
Yeah.
Let go. Hit. All
Okay.
right. We're active.
So see if it alerts at you with max steering deflection.
I'm currently on max right now. Yep. It didn't like that.
All right. I'll give it like 80. Wait, no, 80 I already gave. 95. I'll give it 95. I'm gonna cancel the script. You no longer have a joystick.
I am driving the car normally right now.
Yep.
So
I trust you.
I'm gonna go turn around and do where the starting point where I've been doing was.
Okay.
Where it was like in line with this Jeep in this lane.
All right, we'll give it 95. Script is running.
Okay.
God, I really do have to take a piss.
Well, we'll let you.
There's woods over there I can run into.
Okay. Ooh, yeah, I gave it a little too much there.
If you hit it with max steering deflection,
I'm gonna hit max right. I'm gonna do it right about. I want to have it at least a little bit of speed, so it has some torque. I'm hitting max right now.
Yes. Aww.
No.
Oh, you might have to feather it a bit.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure when it's orange like this, it still gives you full control. It's just a warning on the
Yeah,
screen.
that's correct.
That is correct. It's when it goes red is when
You're
you have a
gonna need
problem.
to take that over.
I am not touching anything right now. Steering temporarily unavailable.
What happens if we just let it go? Oh, look at that. It goes back.
Oh, this is getting. Oh, dude, that brake is touchy.
It is.
Yeah, that's why I was using the finger thumb.
This, the claw.
Yeah, the claw grip. People often do that for like drones. Which is
I think what you maybe want is to feather that in and out, right? So like give it bumps of torque. But
I'm giving it bumps of throttle right now.
Yep.
Honestly,
so I definitely think we need to spend some time learning how the Panda safety code works.
Yeah.
And I think once we get that, we can probably take away some of the steering torque.
Oh, you know what I did? I was doing this, and then I hammered on the right, and it got mad.
Yeah,
That's
like,
okay.
In any direction, if you go like more...
If you exceed the torque by a lot, it gets mad.
I see what it is.
So yeah.
Yeah, if you quickly switch directions.
Which is what I did. That's what I keep doing because my brain goes, you are playing Need for Speed. And just hammers it to the right. Totally didn't just try to kill one of my friends by accident. It's mad we don't have a key.
Keys?
Give key. Give key. Thank you.
Oops. All right, Chandler, first impression.
This is fun as hell. This is like fun. This is dangerous fun. Oh, what the heck was that? Okay, I'm gonna go park by this park. I would park right here. This is good. I'm gonna just put it in park. Then we can shuffle around the car.
That was so cool.
Oh, so cool. Dude, we got so much good footage.
Yeah, we did. I'm so excited.
Oh, okay. Can I have my phone? How uncivilized.
How uncivilized. You use a wheel to drive? Oh, that's just disgusting. Terrible.
Do you think we could get this to run on a Pi?
Maybe. You could probably run the script on a Pi, yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Okay, we'll try claw. Oh, we're just blinding those poor people. No.
Oh my gosh. Why is there so many people here on a Saturday?
I don't know. I'm not sure if they see me driving around with a PlayStation controller or what, but...
Oh my gosh, look at T, he got this.
I think he does have this down. I'm glad. This is a lot scarier than I expected, so I'm glad that we are taking it slow.
Dude, there's so much steering torque on this wheel right now. It is like so close to being maxed out.
But you had it no problem. Look at that. You did a full 180.
Once he got the hang of it, yeah. Dude, people probably actually do think we're like teaching a learner driver. And that's why like we're going so slow and going around in circles and keep doing a Chinese fire drill to like switch around.
That lady's just on her phone. Doesn't even know what's going on.
Yeah, so that is very interesting. That is the acceleration values, not the, obviously it was acceleration values. Are you going to try to do the same route as Kyle?
Yep.
Let's go.
It's really hard.
You got this, no problem.
Coming up to a stop sign.
Yeah, let me put my foot on the brake.
Yeah, everything's normal. Nothing's new here.
Nothing
Nothing's
to
weird.
see here, officer. Don't worry, I'll pull over for you. Why am I going so slow? Well, you see. What do you think? Do you think I can get it?
You should try.
You should try. Nope, can't get it. Damn it. Stupid torque limits.
Yeah, there was way too much there.
Yeah. Like anything that's greater than 90 degrees is rough.
Ooh, there's a lot of stopping power there. I sort of want to see what the stopping power
Okay,
is.
please let me put a seatbelt on first. Oh, crap.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Just go. It's fine. Oh,
There's a lot there.
that is a lot.
She stops all right.
Look at you on the right side of the road and everything.
I know.
Top 10 dumbest nerd thing I've ever done. It's Max. I don't have a seatbelt on. I don't think you have one on either.
No, I do.
Oh, you do? Okay, let me put mine on so
No,
it
it's
shuts
Matt
up.
because he doesn't have one on, I think.
No, I don't have one on either.
Oh,
Yeah.
yep, there it is.
Probably should have one on considering you're driving with a controller.
You don't think?
So when you tap the brakes, will this car do regenerative braking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, here, maybe not.
Maybe not.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, it does. Went to battery.
All right.
There's a vehicle coming.
Yeah, let me see if I can pull you into a parking spot here.
Oh, it doesn't like the steering torque limit.
No, that's fine.
You're gonna try to get right next to this Jeep? Oh my god.
The precision.
With a joystick!
Oh my god.
All right, let's go!
Oh, it's mad.
Let's go! Oh man, that's so good! Yeah! Woo! Okay, Kyle, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'll get in the back seat, it's fine.
I don't want to get up because this is a big pain in the butt to get around.
Another Chinese fire drill! Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh god. Make sure you pass this Jeep before you start turning.
Yeah, all right.
Here, Ian.
Can I get my phone?
Here's his
Oh, you want
phone.
me to take video with his phone?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
That's fine. If you can send me some of that stuff so that I can
Oh man, we have so much that we
Absolutely.
have to send people.
so that I can send my parents some.
Can you do this one vertical instead of horizontal? Because I've done a lot of horizontal.
Yep.
already.
All right, just tell me when you're ready.
All right. Yeah. Just keep rolling it,
All right, it's going.
and I'll cut it. All right. We should be good, right?
Yeah, got that joystick mode.
We learned how to control the car with the PS4 controller. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right. So,
You're gonna get out of this parking spot first. Oh,
he's good.
never mind.
He
We're
can
good.
just move forwards out of that parking
It's
spot.
fine.
we'll just move forward.
By the way, his feet are not on the gas pedals. There's a car coming that way.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop.
Don't worry.
Don't, God, I really hate that. We're getting a little too complacent, boys. Uh-huh. Oh my goodness.
Dude, you know what'd be even better? Is if like I could hit the left bumper and then it would turn like the left bump like.
Left blinker.
Oh my God. You don't have the steering radius to do this, I don't think.
No, he's pretty close.
Nah, I don't think he's got it.
No, he's got it. No, he's got it, boys.
He's got it!
He's got
Holy
it.
shit!
Oh, nope, it just
take
failed.
Over, take over, take
It
over,
just
take
failed.
over,
I got
take
it, I
over,
got it,
take
I got
over. Okay, good.
I got it.
Oh, it just failed.
It just failed. Yep, we're good. We're back in mode.
Yeah,
I don't know why there's so many people. And it's really funny because we're driving around this car.
Oh, I didn't like it. You turned it too hard.
No, I think he put too many conflicting inputs, like one left and then right and some of that.
Okay.
Maybe we could write a new script to smooth some of that out.
That's what I'm thinking we're going to have to do. So V2 is going to have to...
I'm thinking that we can do V2 by just overriding the,
Considering
code.
V1 is just us taking the existing code and just modifying it to work with the PS4 controller.
This person's looking at us and I think they can see that we've got a PlayStation control.
They're going to call the police and be like, hey, what are you guys doing?
Hey, what are you guys doing? You know.
Completely legal stuff.
Legal stuff. You should...
Stop at the stop sign, right?
There's nothing, again, there's like nothing illegal
I'm
about
not
this
sure
per
you
se.
can take that term, but I want to see it happen.
Okay, I have my hand on like near the wheel to like start pushing it if needed.
Yeah.
Oh no, we got it.
No, we got it.
We got it!
We got it. Holy shit. Oh my gosh.
The problem is like when I go back to the right, it might...
You're not going fast enough for the torque to like spin it.
Oh yeah, I guess maybe you can
Oh, I
spike
got
the
it!
torque.
I got it!
Nice,
I'm
nice,
gonna change
nice.
the
Do you
spike
think you can hit that stop sign as well up there?
We're gonna try.
All right.
Just slowly.
Yeah. Just nice and slow. Also, I found that you can't like once the wheel like has a certain limit. Like when it gets to 180 degrees or so, or 90 degrees maybe, you kind of have to stop giving it any additional torque.
Is that a limit of the motor or is that a limit of the car?
It's
We're
like
gonna-
a limit of the car. You're
Yeah,
you're gonna have to probably grab that.
No, it'll make it. It's just we're gonna go into the parking spots.
You're pretty close, but I guess yeah, you're making it. Holy shit.
They're gonna be like, what the hell is going on over there?
Yeah, we've been driving around this parking lot for like an hour now. haven't we? Driving sporadically. How drunk are you? Not at all, officer. We're high as fuck, though. High on programming.
High on code.
High on code. I'm sorry, did you say coke or code?
Dude, we could totally like write a script to drive your car like a fucking robot.
Oh my god. Yeah, dude, if we just map out the path manually and then
No,
make the
and then
car re-execute it.
If I'm not mistaken, the way this works is that since it's acceleration based, it only sends command on an as needed basis, so we can just add a sleep command in between every one.
Oh my god.
Throttle half dot sleep 10 seconds.
No!
You're gonna have to just manually
Yeah,
drive.
unfortunately.
More than,
Unfortunately.
Dude, wait. I was gonna say do the throttle on the thing and then turn it with your hand.
No, I
No,
like
don't do that.
That's a little much. That's a little much.
a little much. You want me to?
No, don't do it.
Okay.
You're gonna have to hit the cancel button. I don't know. For some reason, this branch doesn't accept the brake as a thing.
You're gonna have to do a rebuild when we get home, so that way you're not driving on Master tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. I'll rebuild it when we get back.
All right. There's one more thing I want to do,
Okay.
Okay.
which might involve us waiting for that car to pass by,
That's fine.
and that is this.
Oh, you want me to drive?
Oh no! Give me the camera.
All right. What of this can I
Okay,
move?
this I'm gonna do widescreen because I want this to be on wide.
Absolutely.
What of this can I move?
Literally anything.
Okay.
Just let the car pass.
All right. We'll let the car pass. All right. If you can give me a little bit of that cruise control action, please.
Yes, sir. Here you are.
Activate.
You have cruise turn off. There you go.
Yeah, there it goes.
All
Okay, we're
right.
activated. Fucking backseat driver, boy!
No, I'm an actual backseat driver. This is terrifying. Oh my god. This is bad. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna cut this corner here.
Okay. Oh my god.
I've never been trained to like do this sort of a thing,
Oh my god.
and it is horrifying.
It's like GTA or something similar, right?
Oh, you just ran over a Dunkin' Cup. This is like actually scary.
This is actually scary, yeah.
Oh my god.
Like actually scary. I don't think I can. Well, maybe.
No, you can. I'm
Yeah,
pretty
you're
sure.
good.
Okay, it's hard to see back here.
You're gonna be fine.
You're gonna be fine, but you're definitely in the parking spots.
Yep.
Oh, it didn't like it.
Didn't
Okay.
like that.
All right,
Okay.
cool.
All right. Well, thank you very much for that.
That was so cool, though.
All right. Do you want to drive us home, Kyle, or do you want me to?
I can drive us home.
A fun fact about the PS4 controller that we used in order to drive the car is that it was modified to have a USB-C port. A USB-C port! It's so cool!
All the way down.
What was that?
It's sketchy all the way down.
It's sketchy all the way down.